Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Adobe Acrobat DC on your computer step by step. If you want to edit PDF, add signature or convert files easily, this video is perfectly for you. So let's start. First we need to download Adobe Acrobat DC Pro. I already downloaded it. Before unzip this file, we need to stop virus threat. Go to Windows Security first. Sorry for the late. My laptop is little bit slow. I will go virus and threat protection. Then go to manage settings and off the real-time protection. Click yes. If anything is on, please put him off. I done minimize. And now we need to unzip this file. Installation process is so simple. Start here and we need to wait here a little bit. Extract is done. Now we click on this. You can easily edit your PDF here. Sorry for delay. My PC is little bit slow. Then click yes. This is a Russian version. Okay. You need to wait here a little bit. This is unpacking. This is unpacking. Now it is complete. This activation and installation process is automatically. You just wait and hold a little bit. Okay, no need to click here, just wait. Show automatic activation. Okay, automatically installing Microsoft Visual C++ 2013. You have to need your internet connection. Adobe Acrobat DC make it Acrobat by default. Install, and we need to wait a little bit. We have to wait. They are updating component registration. We need to wait. They are automatically installing, so we have to wait. This is the application Adobe Acrobat DC. You can easily edit here your PDF, edit texts, add or remove images, insert your signature, organize pages, everything. You need to wait a little bit. And this is finished now. Click finish. It is there. We need to PDF set the default apps. Adobe Acrobat DC. Change. Adobe Acrobat DC. OK. And oh, now all the PDF opens with Adobe Acrobat DC. OK. Here we go. This is our company brochure. Here we go. And that's how you install and use Adobe Acrobat DC easily. This is an easy. Create, edit, sign, export PDF. Welcome to Adobe Acrobat DC. And this is our set accessibility. Next. Done. This is our marketing brochure of Update World. You can edit here. So this is the process of installing Adobe Acrobat DC. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.